Hello, Allah. Hey guys. So, we're talking about Saleeg. The word Saleeg comes from Saleeg, which is to boil. And once we delve into the preparation of this dish, and you'll see that why boils comes to play. Saleeg comes from Hijaz, which is a west side of Saudi Arabia, specifically from Taif. Taif is a city that is roughly 2 kilometers above water, so it gets pretty cold. So the dish serves a purpose as it's really fluffy and warm and like filling and really tasty. Now comes to the dish. The dish is based as a white rice cooked in beef or chicken stock and cooked out with milk at the end. How this dish came to be is there's one of the oldest chefs in Saudi Arabia called Ibrahim al-Yamani who inherited the recipe from his father, and both of them were living in Taif, and then it became very popular in that area, and now it's like well known in the Middle East and everywhere, and they're happy to eat it anytime. So by all means, well guys, we'll stick with us, we'll make it for you guys, we'll make you happy. It's a really nice, delicious dish. Stick around and we'll cook it out in the next couple of frames. Ingredients: we have onion and shallot, tomato and cilantro. We got a couple of bay leaf, cardamoms, and we have a tablespoon of lemon juice, half tablespoon of hot sauce, 2 pieces of mastic gum, heavy cream, salt, milk, and chicken. And obviously we also have a long grain white rice, which is not in the frame, but it's there. What I also find appealing about this dish, the prep. It's really easy and simple. For example, the onion and the shallot, we only have to cut them into quarter and they don't have to be uniform. Tip: try breathing from your mouth, cutting the onions and the shallot. You might actually not cry. Okay, we'll take off bay leaf, cardamom, we'll put it in the pot, and then we'll also add the quartered onion and shallots. I hate this dish because it's so easy to make, and that's why I love this dish. And we'll top it with the chicken. And then we'll add our water till it covers the meat. And then we'll turn the heat on high, wait till it to boil, and as soon as it boils, we'll turn it down to a simmer to allow the flavors to develop. And we'll add a little bit of salt because we're using that water to cook our rice at the end. Never add salt to a stock unless the chef literally specify that. Otherwise, it's just not a fun conversation. Torture prep continue. I have to put the cilantro in this cup. Then I gotta put tomatoes, minced garlic, a little bit of hot sauce, and a lemon juice. God, it's so much work. But literally this sauce is really good. It really complements the dish, and if I have extra I would usually drink it in a cup. Hold on a second. Gotta, yes, pinch of salt. And into the blender it goes. That's our sauce. Done. As the stock is on simmer, skim the scum, that's what's actually called, for clean and clear stock at the end. You made it to the rice. It's almost eating time. Nice. So we'll take the rice, put it in the pot, add some salt, and take our strained broth, cover the rice, boil it, low heat, 17 to 22 minutes. And in the meantime, we'll find something useful to do, or not. Hold on, I wasn't sure if I was saying broth or stock. Stock is made with bones, broth is made with bones and meat. was back in time, we pulled the chicken aside, and now we'll place them into a rack which allow airflow, and they go into the oven to broil until they're golden, crispy brown, just like me. Hello voila. Hey guys, so that was the end of episode 4, and we had the Saleeg. I really recommend this. You guys try to do this dish. It's really easy to make, and the outcome is beautiful, delicious, hearty, and so filling. You won't feel like too full after, like in a bad way, just perfectly filled. We'll ask, hey Damien, for you trying the dish for the first time, would you kindly share with our audience what was it like for you?
Yeah, for sure, man. For anyone trying first time, it's a beautiful fusion of the chicken and with especially the rice that was buttered up. When you eat together, the textures perfectly complement one another. So anyone who hasn't tried it, I highly recommend it. Especially Chef Nawan's version is one of a kind. There you go.
Oh, well guys, I know we've been sticking around with like Arabic dishes, so I just wanted to introduce them, but we'll move on to a different cuisine. As we move on, so it'll get more interesting. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to see you guys very soon. Please subscribe and like. Yeah.
Hey, was your imaginary friend in episode 4?
I thought she was your imaginary friend. I'm not sure. I can't remember there was like an extra presence. Did you invite her in or something like that?
I'm not sure whether my imagination invited her or your imagination, but you know what? It all worked out pretty well, so...
Well, yeah. I guess people are just gonna pop up in the show. Well,
I guess so, yeah.
Looking forward. Well, keep the head counts, guys. See you guys in the next one. Have a good one.